High-protein diets are everywhere. Protein bars, shakes, and especially meat. But is all that meat really good for you, especially after 50? We've long been told that red and processed meats, steak, bacon, sausages, are essential for strength and energy. But cardiologists are warning, these meats come with hidden risks. Red and processed meats are loaded with saturated fat, which raises LDL or bad cholesterol. High LDL leads to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. Processed meats are even worse, packed with sodium and preservatives like nitrates, which raise blood pressure and trigger inflammation. That convenient ham sandwich or bacon breakfast? It could be quietly damaging your heart. The real danger is how these foods silently contribute to heart disease over time. As we age, our bodies become more vulnerable to these effects. It's not just about getting enough protein, it's about choosing the right kind. Not all proteins are created equal, and the source matters more than ever. It's time to rethink what's on your plate. Your heart depends on it. After 50, our bodies change. Metabolism slows, arteries stiffen, and inflammation rises. Extra weight and stiffer blood vessels make us more prone to heart disease. Our ability to process saturated fat and sodium declines, so red and processed meats become even riskier. These foods fuel inflammation and artery damage, especially as our body's defenses weaken with age. Heme iron in red meat can also trigger oxidative stress, harming artery walls. What seemed harmless in our 30s can be dangerous now. That's why cardiologists urge us to rethink our protein sources. It's not about cutting protein, it's about choosing heart-friendly options. Protect your heart by adapting your diet to your body's changing needs. If red and processed meats are risky, where should you get your protein? The answer: plants. Lentils, beans, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa are all protein powerhouses, without the cholesterol or saturated fat. Plant proteins are rich in fiber, which lowers LDL cholesterol and supports gut health. They're also packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that fight inflammation and protect blood vessels. Swapping beef for beans isn't just about avoiding harm. It's about adding nutrients that actively support your heart. Start small. Try meatless Mondays or swap ground beef for lentils in your chili. Replace deli meats with hummus and veggies for lunch. These simple changes add up, making a real difference over time. You'll discover new flavors and foods that are both satisfying and heart-healthy. Embracing plant-based proteins is a powerful step toward lifelong wellness. Your heart will thank you. Make the switch, one meal at a time. Building a heart-healthy diet after 50 doesn't have to be complicated. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits at every meal. Choose whole grains like oats and brown rice over refined grains. Make plant-based proteins, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, the foundation of your meals. If you eat animal protein, opt for fish rich in omega-3s or skinless poultry, and keep red and processed meats rare. Focus on healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats from red meat and full-fat dairy. Remember, it's not about a low-fat diet, but the right fats. Pair your diet with regular exercise. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. Manage stress, get enough sleep, and avoid smoking for a holistic approach. Consistency is key. Small, steady changes make a big impact. Protect your heart, boost your energy, and enjoy life after 50. The choices you make today shape your future health.